Hey everyone, welcome back to our Red Sea adventures. It's a beautiful September day, and we are diving the northernmost reef in the Straits of Tiran, the famous Jackson Reef, known for its lush coral gardens.
Right off the bat, as soon as we descend, we are surrounded by clouds of marine life. Our plan for today is to drop down to 30 meters and then make a slow, steady ascent back up.
Jackson Reef is incredible. Just look at these vast slopes covered in rich, soft, and hard corals. These clouds of orange Anthias stay with us almost the entire way.
Oh, check that out! A pair of tuna cruising past us in the opposite direction. Swimming past this massive Gorgonian fan coral, you can really feel the drama of life down here.
Here is a small grouper peacefully chilling in his little den. But wait, look at this guy, a giant grouper, perfectly camouflaged. Honestly, if he hadn't decided to move, I wouldn't have even noticed him.
Suddenly, a school of bright yellow goatfish catches my eye. Their vibrant color actually pulls me off course a bit to swim higher. And among the coral thickets, I spot a familiar pattern, a clownfish playing hide and seek in its anemone.
We spot a pair of dark blue triggerfish just as we reach our turnaround point.
We've hit a really strong current. Look at those divers ahead. They are kicking their fins like crazy, but basically hovering in one spot. Slowly fighting through the resistance, we leave the slope. It is amazing how much fire coral is around here.
There's an angelfish looking for a snack. On our way back, we're greeted by butterfish, parrotfish, and striped groupers. But we also run into a bit of a traffic jam. That is a lot of divers per cubic meter of water.
And here, hiding on the coral, is the lionfish. While beautiful, it's a ruthless hunter. When it goes on the prowl, it spreads those fan-like spines, distracting prey with its hypnotic movement before striking.
The landscape shifts here from slopes to a sheer coral wall. Notice how the colors just pop when our flashlights hit them. We are swimming through a stream of blue fusiliers now. They flow around us like water around a rock.
A quick photo for the memories, and we turn back toward the boat. A lone parrotfish passes by looking for food, while we finish our dive with some stunning shots of divers on their safety stop.
But wait, at the very last moment, I spotted this little octopus hiding in a brain coral. Just look at those two brown eyes nervously peeking out.
That was a beautiful dive in the Red Sea. Stay tuned to see more underwater beauty, creatures, and secrets. Thanks for watching.